Pentavirate, it's very much a broker consultancy where you're bringing the best people into the game.
It's a company that we created to give everyone the opportunity to invest in commercial real estate.
The Pentavirate business model is based on connecting.
We buy property as an investment vehicle for the savvy investor who's used to commercial property. We buy it for the people who don't have access to that market. Our idea is to be able to provide a product at cost with the idea that we share in the growth and the risk.
Our platform will allow people anywhere on the planet to invest in these assets and actually own a little piece of the pie.
If you're a large investor coming from a part of the world that needs stability, okay, there might be a building for sale in New York or San Francisco for hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars. But are you buying a landmark property or are you buying an income property?
And they're managed all the way into the other subsidiaries.
The funds themselves, the way we're going to be managing them is there will be institutional grade investors, mutual funds, sovereign wealth,
Bank treasuries, Islamic insurance companies, and pension funds.
There's also going to be sections in there carved out for people who just want to start putting money away differently than trying to find a mutual fund.
We're looking for gems across North America, in Canada and the US, to find a hub in communities where there's great value, and then we're going to build out and spoke from there.
We are located in Seattle. They actually did a study to say out of all the cities in the world, which cities were the most recession-proof. There were 2 cities ranked at the top. One was Singapore, and the other one was Seattle.
Typically we look for areas that have an increasing population. Nashville, you're looking at Austin, you're looking at Toronto, the fastest growing city in North America. There's a lot of financial unrest around the globe. Typically the United States is the safest place to put your money.
For the most part, it's very difficult for foreign investors to come in. And managers here in the US rarely go to those parts of the world. And when they do go to those parts of the world, they're taking the deals that investors in the US didn't want.
We feel passionate to bring that to the global community, to have an investment that is not only secure and growing, it's insured, and it really has a level of transparency.
The stock market, when they came in and built the REITs, really shook the system up, where people could start putting deposits down of $100, $500 a month into investment program. What we offer is that liquidity of being able to get in and out. Technology allows us to do that. If you treat people with respect, you're going to get that back. If they trust you, they want to do business with you.